Hey YouTube, this is HF Skater 98, and I just got back from Stratosphere Skateboard, and I got me a unit skate tool. It says, well, you can't see that, but I only got it for $12.95, and it came, well, Stratosphere, it hooked me up with a free sticker. Well, not hooked me up, but they give free stickers. If you want to see that sticker, well, I'm just going to show you it right now. I already put it on my skateboard for my deck. Oh boy. Right there. ATL Stratosphere Skateboards. Yep. Well, this is unboxing and review for the skate tool. Okay. Here it is in the little packaging. And here's the back. Has a picture of the tool with a little scooter guy. And that right there. Okay. Trying to get this thing. Okay, here it is. The unit skate tool. It has this is right here for the hardware. This one's for the wheels. And this is for the kingpin. And they also include this little slide in the little skate tool. It's a Phillips head screwdriver and the Allen key. So just put that back in the little hole right there. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Yep, and that's pretty much it for the skate tool. Okay, this is HF Skater 98, and